Discover the sparkle your jewelry deserves with the top 5 best jewelry cleaner machines. These powerful devices use ultrasonic or steam technology to effortlessly remove dirt, grime, and tarnish, restoring shine and brilliance to your favorite pieces. Whether for home or professional use, these cleaners offer safe, effective, and dazzling results every time. Number 1. Vevor Professional Ultrasonic Cleaner. The Vevor Professional Ultrasonic Cleaner is a powerful, efficient solution for deep cleaning delicate items without causing damage. Operating at a 40 kHz ultrasonic frequency with a robust 240W ultrasonic power and 200W heating power, it delivers a superior cleaning effect by creating microscopic bubbles that remove dirt from even the smallest crevices. Equipped with advanced 60W transducers using sandwich piezoelectric technology, it offers enhanced cleaning efficiency and reliability. The 10L stainless steel tank, 12.8 foot x 10 foot x 5.9, is built from high-quality 304 stainless steel for long-lasting durability, and includes a matching basket and ball-shaped holder for safely securing jewelry, watches, coins, and other small items. Its digital control panel allows precise settings with a timer, 0 to 30 minutes, and temperature control, up to 80 degrees Celsius per 176 degrees Fahrenheit, providing both performance and convenience. Perfect for home or professional use, the Vevor Ultrasonic Cleaner is ideal for jewelry, eyeglasses, circuit boards, dental tools, and more. Certified by FCC, CE, RoHS, and UL, it combines safety, style, and powerful performance in one compact machine. Number 2. GemOro Ultrasonic and Steam Jewelry Cleaner. The GemOro Ultrasonic and Steam Jewelry Cleaner is the ultimate 2-in-1 cleaning solution for restoring the brilliance of your precious pieces. Combining ultrasonic and steam technology, it delivers 42,000 waves per second for deep, thorough ultrasonic cleaning, followed by a powerful 50 psi steam blast to remove dirt, grease, and grime from hard-to-reach areas. The unit features a 6-minute timed ultrasonic cycle with auto shut-off for safety and convenience, while the on-demand steam control provides instant steam bursts for maximum cleaning precision. Its compact design fits neatly on countertops, with built-in easy-lift handles and storage compartments to keep accessories organized. Included are a steam residue mat, fill cup, funnel, tweezers, and a mesh basket for safely cleaning rings, earrings, watches, and charms. With a 1-year limited replacement warranty, it offers peace of mind along with high performance. Known as the Sparkle Experts, GemOro leads the jewelry care industry with innovative and effective cleaning solutions. Whether at home or in a professional setting, this cleaner helps you fall in love with your jewelry all over again. Number 3. iWi Dual Frequency Ultrasonic Cleaner. The iWi Dual Frequency Ultrasonic Cleaner, CDEE6, is a feature-rich, high-performance cleaning device designed for both professional and personal use. Powered by a reliable 60W ultrasonic transducer, it offers dual-frequency cleaning at 28/40 kHz, allowing you to switch between standard and enhanced modes depending on your needs, from coarse debris to delicate detailing. The degassing function improves efficiency by quickly removing air bubbles from the cleaning solution. With a 6L stainless steel tank, 30 by 15.5 by 15 centimeters, crafted from seamless SUS 3O for steel, it's built to last and resist corrosion. A digital control panel with an enlarged display offers precise temperature, up to 80 degrees Celsius, and timer, 0 to 99 minutes, settings, tailored to various materials. Ideal temperature, 50 to 60 degrees Celsius for metal, 40 to 50 degrees Celsius for other items. This versatile cleaner is perfect for eyeglasses, jewelry, razors, 3D printed parts, dental tools, circuit boards, and more, making it suitable for eyewear stores, salons, clinics, labs, and home use. Before buying, check the tank size against your items. While light noise is normal during operation, the iWi CDEE6 delivers deep, dependable cleaning every time. Number 4. CrewWorks 10L Ultrasound Cleaning Machine. The CrewWorks 10L Ultrasonic Cleaning Machine delivers powerful, professional-grade cleaning right at home. With 240W of ultrasonic power, it generates high-frequency cavitation bubbles that thoroughly clean delicate and complex items, restoring them to like-new condition. Its 10L, 2.6-gallon tank offers ample space to clean everything from jewelry and eyeglasses to auto parts and tools. Equipped with a 300W heating system, this machine enhances cleaning performance by allowing temperature settings from 70 degrees Fahrenheit to 175 degrees Fahrenheit, while dual rotary knobs provide simple, intuitive controls for timed cleaning up to 30 minutes. Whether you're cleaning intricate jewelry or tough car components, this unit makes the process efficient and effortless. Built for durability, the tank and basket feature 304 stainless steel to resist corrosion and daily wear, while the exterior uses 201 stainless steel for added protection. Non-slip handles ensure safe, convenient handling. Perfect for homes, workshops, dental clinics, or repair shops, the CrewWorks Ultrasonic Cleaner removes grease, rust, carbon, and grime from hard-to-reach places with ease, making it an essential tool for deep, versatile cleaning. Number 5. Zema Ultrasonic Retainer Cleaner Machine. The Zema Ultrasonic Retainer Cleaner Machine offers a powerful, gentle, and effective way to keep your dental appliances spotless. Utilizing advanced 42,000 Hz ultrasonic technology, it creates microscopic bubbles that penetrate deep into every crevice, removing stains, plaque, and buildup without damaging your retainer, aligner, mouthguard, or dentures. Designed for convenience and elegance, its ultra-modern, compact build fits seamlessly into any bathroom or countertop space. Despite its small size, it delivers a thorough clean for appliances of all shapes and sizes, helping you maintain oral hygiene with minimal effort. For best results, especially with heavily stained appliances, multiple cleaning cycles are recommended. If you're not seeing the desired outcome, Zema's dedicated support team is ready to help, responding within 24 hours through Amazon's buyer-seller messaging. Enjoy peace of mind with a 30-day risk-free money-back guarantee and a 12-month warranty, making the Zema Ultrasonic Cleaner a smart and worry-free investment. Whether for daily maintenance or a deeper refresh, this cleaner ensures your dental appliances stay fresh, hygienic, and crystal clear.